I'm good. At the beginning, good, very good. I'm Vladyslav Bualiskyi, I'm 28 years old, I'm bass-baritone from Ukraine, and I got first prize. I'm super happy. I still cannot believe that it happened, and it feels like a dream. So I started to sing in my childhood with my grandmother, but focusing more on opera singing, maybe on my last year of school. And I had like special meeting with my special person who helped me a lot in my life. And I'm still so grateful to him that he helped me and still helping as much as he can. Yeah, it was that moment that changed my decision from being architecture to an opera singing.
Sia qualunque delle figlie che fra poco andrà sul trono, non lasci l'abbandono, non lasci l'abbandono, non lasci l'abbandono, un magnifico papa. Non lasci l'abbandono, un magnifico papa.
For now, Figaro, that it's a realistic role in Le Nozze di Figaro, and I wish I could do it in the nearest future. But the role that I really dream and I cannot perform yet, it's Filippo in Don Carlo. Yeah, so I want to say that believe in yourself, apply, try, even if the results is not positive for you, it's still like an experience that you can get for yourself, and it could help you to grow as an artist and also the person in general. Especially, it's really important to have like a good mental health in this career. Man, it's crazy, yeah. So we need to believe in yourself, because 6 years ago I was here, I was in the final, I didn't get a prize, and then years after I'm here again and I got first prize. I mean, like, I've never got the prizes before, like in the big international competitions, and now I've like got the first prize, so it's like big step. Hard working, believe in yourself, go through all these like negative maybe thoughts, opinions and everything, just believe in yourself and be happy where you are. Prestigious, inspiring and life-changing.
Chi la palla delle spille, chi la pesca delle aquille, editato d'ogni lato, sarà un servo condannato di membri, pedizioni di galline, di struglioni, di bottiglie, di brocati, di candele, marinati, di ciambelli, pasticcenti, di condili, di confetti, di bertoni, di domani, di vanille, di caffè, d'ogni lato, sarà un servo condannato, d'ogni lato, sarà un servo condannato di ciambelli, pasticcenti, di condili, di confetti, di bertoni, di domani, di vanille, di caffè. Basta, non portate, terminate, bene andati, non portati, basta, in carità, serra l'uscio un catenaccio, in partunis, secatori, fuori, via da me, fuori, via da me, serra l'uscio un catenaccio, in partunis, secatori, fuori, via da me, fuori, via da me, presto, via di qua, via di qua, via di qua.